Fortunately, my infrared gun is going to stick in me. This is just terrible. I have no idea why people put a stupid coat on something that they know don't last. Clearly, they should have tested this. Anyway, we'll try the isopropyl or methylated spirit. I'm not sure what I have. Let me try that with some baby wipes and see if I can get this thing off. It's terrible though. Well, as can be seen, this quickly went to crap. I tried to pull the back off, the front piece off. Ripped off the ground from the laser diode and the positive from the board. So, no choice but to try opening the entire thing. Now that it's actually opened up, let's have a look inside. We've already gone this far, so why the heck not? Probably mashed it up already, but who cares? It's already this going on. It's annoyed me already that these people have this stupid freaking coating. This is idiotic. They should be sued by somebody in a first world country that can actually win a case. Anyway, getting on to this, we see some points where you can solder onto a couple pads that were unpopulated, gold plated, not too bad. Chip in a blob. So one of those proprietary chips that we can't actually figure out. I would assume positive is going here, wrong is here. I've ripped this. I'm seeing wires. Well, I'm probably gonna have to do some trimming and cleaning up. Small screen, as we expected. Buttons here. Again, this board was made to be allowed to put a header onto here. There's definitely, and there's an option for a header here too. I don't know what that says. The silk screen says cal. Does it? Does it? Yes. So that's a calibration. And this is probably, I'll have to look at the silk screen a little bit better and see what they actually have. But yeah, this is the on-off button. Those are the buttons in the back. A couple passives. This detector, which is in here, with a, yeah, looks like a frontal lens in there. And yeah, nothing too fancy. Now that I've managed to destroy everything, let me try to clean this up. Half an hour later, tried methylated spirit, try another type of alcohol. If you look at the surface, I'm just doing this one, you could see much of it came out, it's shiny, but a bit remained, and it remained over on everything. Everything has a little bit of the coating still, and some of it off. So some areas are shiny, some areas are dull, as you could see. Where it's dull, there's still bad coating. So yeah, this has been kind of fixed. You can see very good on the grip here too. Some places have gotten shiny, other places have remained dull. So yeah, it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back again. I tried even a toothbrush and scrubbing with the alcohol. That didn't work. That was always the plan. That's why it was stripped down actually. That's why I pulled this, and I assumed it would have come out, and I assumed this would have been onto the board, which, well, clearly it isn't. So yes, let's try to solder this back, but assemble it back and see if it still works. That's another one by itself. May or may not. Well, fun. It's reassembled. It's much better. Not annoying me. Yeah, not much holding this. This piece clips off, this piece clips off. A screw here and a screw here once you take this piece off. And yes, it was supposed to pull off. It really was stiff. It was pulled a little too hard, and hence why it's burst out. Anyway, it works. I guess it's 26.6 degrees Celsius here, but yeah, fact of the matter is, it still works. So great. And I guess I wasn't going to open this for no good reason. It really is because that thing was really annoying me, that stickiness, and I really wanted to scrub it down. So I decided, well, don't want to get anything in the circuitry, so yeah, I'm not get anything on the screen. So would not have seen the inside of this if it hadn't been for that problem. So might as well put it up. Maybe somebody wants to see what's inside of this.